Hi, welcome back. This is lesson 1.2. This is going to be on um, pretty much illegal construction moves. And I want to go ahead and show you guys how to work this out. Again, your job is to kind of recreate this. I'll give you the websites. You have to log on. Just click other links to the online IM textbook. Anyways, the first instruction says this: create a circle centered at A with the radius AB. So you'll have some options here. So hit the circle, click on A, go to B. And then the second instruction says estimate the midpoint of segment AB. This is your segment AB. So you just take the point key and just estimate where you think it's going to be located. So it's probably about right there. And then the third step says create a circle at B, radius BC. So your radius is going to be from B to C. So I'll create a circle again. Okay. Start at B, move it all the way to C, and you could just feel it kind of toggle on that C point. And then it's going to intersect the 2 points. So here's a point and here's a point. They said label the top one as D. So you want to go to your point, label that as D, and label the bottom one as E. Okay, that's your third step. And your last step is use the polygon key, which is right here. Just click on that polygon. And you want to connect the points from A, D, and E. So you start at A, move all the way to D, go right to E, and come right back to A. And that would be your triangle ADE, and it's lightly shaded for you. You take a picture of this and send it to me. All right. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call me, email me, and I'll fill you in on some more details. All right. Good luck.